Welcome to Nuevo Vallarta, which is about 15 kilometers north of Puerto Vallarta. Nuevo Vallarta is home to many all-inclusive and other high-class resorts. You will find Nuevo Vallarta to be a more modern Mexico. Nuevo Vallarta has many beautiful long beaches, but you'll find the public beach access to be very limited with all of the resorts. What do you figure, Bear? We're at Nuevo Vallarta here on a pier that's just beside the harbor and right next to a giant beach that is wide and long.
Very wide and long.
Very wide and long.
And the water, you can go out quite a ways and...
Yeah, it could be called Long Beach.
Probably could.
But the name has been taken by Long Beach, California.
Maybe? I don't know.
Nice. As you can see, Nuevo Vallarta has a very beautiful marina area. It seems very quiet walking around here in Nuevo Vallarta. I guess most or all of the action is happening on all of the resorts in the area. There are some golf courses here. In addition to the great resorts, there are many high-end homes in the area. Thanks for watching.